In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a custom Steam URL step by step so you can personalize your Steam profile and make it easier for friends and other players to find you. This is a quick but useful setting, and once you know where to look, it only takes a minute or two. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple how-to guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Steam Community in your browser and log into your Steam account. You want to make sure you're signed into the correct account before changing anything, because this custom URL will be connected to that profile. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the page and click your username. This opens a small menu with your account options. From there, click View My Profile. Now you'll be taken to your public Steam profile page. On the right side, you should see a blue Edit Profile button. Click that to open your profile settings. Inside the profile editor, look at the menu on the left and stay on the General tab. This is where Steam keeps the main profile information, including the custom URL option. Now scroll until you find the custom URL box. This is the field where you can choose the web address for your Steam profile. Type in the custom Steam URL you want to use. Keep in mind that it needs to be something unique and available. So if your first choice is already taken, you may need to try a slightly different version with numbers, letters, or a shorter name. After you've entered the URL you want, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the blue Save button. That's the final step. Once you save it, your Steam profile will now use the custom URL you selected. You can share that link with friends, add it to your social profiles, or use it to make your account look a little more professional and easier to remember. If you ever want to change it again later, just come back to the same general settings and update the custom URL field. So that's how to set a custom Steam URL in just a few simple steps. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.